So we know here at Agri Drones that buying a drone is not just, the transaction should not just end there. Whenever you buy a drone, you need regulation support for FAA regulations. That's why we have on-staff compliance managers. You need training, which is what we have here. So this is our training room here. We usually, depending on the time of year, we'll host between 10 and 50 people. We do trainings once a month, year-round, and we'll actually, certain times of year, offer additional trainings. We do beginner trainings, we do intermediate trainings, we do software trainings, we do dealer trainings. We're expanding our dealer network right now. So we're here to grow with you. We're here to support you. We love empowering rural America. And if you guys would like to learn more about these awesome machines, subscribe, follow, contact us. Glad to help you out. Thanks.